Hi, Microsoft Office users. Do you want to encrypt and decrypt selected cell values or contents in Excel? Here is how. You can easily do that through Kutools. So, before we start, for your information, we will upload video series related to various types of Microsoft Office tutorials. If you are interested and you want to productive in Microsoft Office for your database jobs, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. So, first things first, install Kutools for Excel in your desktop. If you already installed this software, skip this step. Suppose you have a workbook which contains some important information couldn't be viewed by others. In this case, you would like to encrypt the cell contents, but Excel doesn't have a function for encrypting the cell contents. With Kutools for Excel's Encrypt Cells and Decrypt Cells utility, you can quickly encrypt the selected cell values and decrypt the cell contents. To encrypt the selected cell contents, select the range that you want to encrypt. Next, apply this utility by going Kutools Plus and click Encrypt Cells in the Security group. Then, type in the password in the Encrypt Cells dialog box. Choose one type of masks you want to display in cells after encrypted. On the next video you will learn how to decrypt the selected cells that have been encrypted with Encrypt Cells. And if you want to buy Microsoft Office 365, go to video description for best offer. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on Microsoft Excel tutorials and technical videos. Take care.